is the most negative impact of social media? A. Use for manipulation. B. Spreading mistrust. And C. Leakage of information. So, according to the most important part of the personal life, and the leakage of information is a crime. And the use of social media for that purpose is not good, and it is a criminal offense.
I agree with leakage of information because the private photos and other information of the people is also leaked by the social platform. It's very affect the social media. People's privacy also
misinformation is a problem in today's world, and if there is misinformation that is being spread, the general population of the country moves towards the wrong aspects of the development, and that hampers the nation as a worldwide as a whole, and that is not what social media is for, and it should be used for positive things like motivating the general public and moving towards a better India. And I guess misinformation that has been causing through the social media is the problem.
Adding to the points of chess number 20, presented by National Informatics Department of our India, that 93% of the misinformation which is spread and causes conflicts in various parts of India are spread through the social media. So, it's a country which is leading to various conflicts.
Also, the personal information basically. The use of that information can be used in a very bad manner. For example, the usage of deepfakes of videos are various actors' videos are being done with the help of AI. Yes, definitely. So that has caused mental stress in the public, and also the person whose information is lost, he has a mental stress, and which can also lead to very.
That can define the life of a youth and a person.
And if society, I would like to express my views and add some points over chess number 23. As we had seen in last year, lot of information leakage has been happened, and it is just because of a platform called social media. We can assume it like Instagram or Facebook, by which a honey trap kind of situation would be happen, and in a honey trap, many DRDO scientists were indulged and share the critical information to our neighboring countries.
I agree that has been the major issue. Most of the people facing their issue like empty their pockets and bank accounts, due to which there is a more peer mental pressure on the people. I think this leakage of information is the negative aspect of the social media.
Social media. As a teenager, the teenage life defines the life cycle of a complete human being, and if a teenage is being manipulated in a negative way, it can affect his life as well as family life, and it also can lead to the negative impact of the nation also, as someone can become terrorist, someone can become militants, and if
I think number 10, I'd like to add to the point that all this hampering of the youth is happening because of the misinformation that is being spread through the social media, and because young children get social media accounts at an early age, and they try to believe on these misinformed notions, and that is why they move on to join all the organizations that chess number 10 was agreeing to.
Privacy of the personal belongings are also breached. Many of the social networking platforms they just breach the personal information of their users, and for the person using the platform, it's not a big deal. But yeah, the personal information, their names, their numbers are also being breached on the networking sites.
The leakage of information, personal information on the social media.
At this time, everyone uses technology, and everything is on our phone. Our personal details. Last year, we has banned almost 320 apps of China, which are basically leaked or critical information from our personal belonging, as well as all of us have heard about Truecaller. It is also a main platform of leaking your personal information.
And he was also asked about the breachment of the personal information of their users. So he agreed to that, and he was also questioned on this topic.
Which is causing huge damage to our country's democracy, because the fake news are spreading and the people are getting influenced, which is hampering our elections, which is a huge damage to our democracy also.
That's
And if you tell voters that are civilians
Leak of the
to
information.
vote for them, and this can lead to the government which is not so okay.
Recently,
I
I
like
can
basically
quote
access number
but,
10 that if the
but
if your
some staff
personal
and
information is being fetched to one of the person, he could use that information to manipulate you.
also the
I'd like to
personal
add to
information,
this
the
case
leakage of personal information has caused various frauds in the country. Various frauds have been, as we have seen, the fraud calls are being coming because of the leakage of personal information. As Chess25 said, the Truecaller is the app where the personal numbers from there they can access our email IDs, our passwords, and the hackers are in the demands and they can.
And there are many even the location is also being tracked.
This is due to the social media. As we have seen the recent year, we have the cases of kidnapping. The people are posting their recent photographs, recent places they have visited, due to which the information of the person have been leaked, and the case of kidnapping has been increased.
working on critical information of misinformation, as there has been a lot of
Personal information
in the
social
social
media
media. So they have established a fact information, and if the government is heavily is active on this point, we should support the misinformation point too, because the government wants to stop the misinformation, and that would lead the nation towards a better goal and would help stop the the manipulation of the youth and also spreading of the false.
Points. As we all know, India is the most populous country in the world, and it is not quite possible to educate all peoples. What are the guidance? What are the do's and don'ts of social media, as well as for social media?
Number 25, then you're directly disagreeing with the policy.
I'm slightly disagreeing with your point.
Implementing for the improvement. We have to, because if India wants to be a developed country, all the social media platforms are going to be a major pivotal point for the development, and everybody needs to have the basic do's and don'ts, and that is why the government is implementing such fact-checking unit that people don't go into misinformation and have the right information in their own sense.
Most negative impact of social media. As we have seen the cases of many teenage girls, they are being manipulated that they will be provided jobs in the sector, and after that they are lead to them the human trafficking also.
After my Instagram to the others, there are more leakage of the information. It's our private information about the other number, phone number.
But there is a end-to-end. Normal wind conditions were fake news as tornado, and which created a panic situation among the citizens, and 2 people were killed in that situation.
I'd like to misinformation that has been spread is cut down, and the right information is spread through the social media. It would help the country and the youth from getting involved in such activities and being trafficked, as chess number 10 just stated in his
Also,
Same as chess number 24 told that if I will give an example. If there is a mini damage in our house, we can resolve it at our own level. But if something was crucial and which may lead which can destroy or which can collapse our country, that is more important for us, and by which leaking information is the
job frauds we have seen in the recent years. They just take our documents and state that they will provide a job, but instead they are taking the laws on art by giving the consent by the documents.
Adding to the point of section number 20, I would like to state that there have been many websites and that are tend to be like a video game. That like for example, there was a Blue Game which was very famous in recent years. They use your personal information and try to manipulate you, and which also led to many of suicides, and the cases registered was also very high number. The manipulation of people can lead to the negative impacts of social media. As we have seen the case of Hathras incident, the Baba named Narayan Narayan, he manipulated the people that he would make the died people alive, and he is the God. So there was a rush there, and 120 people dead there.
Is very negative about social media because what is happening? If the important information of the country, especially the defense sector, that's why they are not allowed to create their account on social media because it is very crucial information, and if it leaks, then the information of the country can be leaked, and it can help the enemy in this.
In this time, everyone searching how to earn money. That's why they are logging many apps. They share personal information on the fake apps.
So that's proving my point. You are saying that fake news is spreading about providing jobs. That's why they are providing their personal information. Where solidifying my
That's why
I would like to say that the fake information was spread that they are providing jobs. That's why the people are getting influenced to provide their personal information.
As he was including that point to leakage of information.
So the fake news was that they are providing the fake job.
I'd like by saying that if there is fake news, that is misinformation, and misinformation will make bad decision, and that is why we should focus more on misinformation, because like-minded people would follow the misinformation and lead to all the giving of information on the fake app. If the public is informed about the fake apps, they know what are banned and what are not banned, they not themselves go on to those apps and move on with the giving the information which might get leaked on later.
As I earlier told that India is the most populous country in the world, and it has not possible to government to what are the do's and don'ts.
For against what slightly disagreeing with what case number 25 said, Rome wasn't built in a day, and giving the public the right information from a very basic level will slightly step by step develop them to becoming a very well aware public.
And in the point of case number 21, our government is also taking many steps. They are setting multiple departments to keep a check on misinformation spread on our social media, so that the less number of people get influenced and more people will be aware of the cybercrime happening through fake news.
But
I also want to add one more point. In the computer science, or we have known that the data is the most important thing, or the information is the most important thing. The leakage of data is the very negative impact of the social media. As once the information is published on the internet, or it's published on the web, it never gets destroyed. It's very difficult for it to get destroyed. So, personal information is a very leakage of personal information is a very crucial.